it's Laura. Welcome to my channel. Lately, I've been feeling super green, like full of fresh energy. So today, I want to share a green wipe with you guys. We'll be doing an unboxing and a beading tutorial. Just for the record, this video isn't sponsored and everything you see I bought myself. First, let's get into unboxing. I've been wanting to upgrade my recording gear for a while. After comparing brands like Boya and DJI, and I finally went with the Moma Lark A1. This one has few colors option, and I was dying for the green one. I got the all-in-one version, including 2 mics and receivers for both Type-C and Lightning devices. The whole package is so cute and tiny, and you can just carry them anywhere. And I got them all like under $70. Oh, by the way, you are actually hearing my voice on this mic right now. Do you think it was worth it? Well, I'm pretty satisfied with it so far. Now that summer's here, I want to create something that keeps me feeling cool, calm, and fresh on these hot days. Whenever I walk through a park, especially in China, I always come across these beautiful blooming lotuses. So I thought, why not bring that summery wipe right to my finger? Let me show you how. Materials are listed down below. Trust me, it's super easy. Start by making a small flower as the lotus. I recommend pink or white beads. I'm using white here. Next, take a green button as the lotus leaf to hold the flower on top. For the ring part, string a square bead and 2 green beads into it. Repeat this combo 6 times or more or less depending on your finger size. For the last 2 steps, we are going to tie a knot in the same spot twice. This really helps to secure the whole structure. And finally, I like to thread the remaining lines back through all the beads. This will make the ring much more sturdy than just a single thread. Ta-da! Look at that! Tiny lotus buds on my fingers! Aren't they lovely? It goes so well with my green dress, right? Please let me know if you made one too. I can't wait to see these cuties on your fingers. And that's pretty much for my day. Energetic and creative. Follow me for more tutorials and fun stuff. See you soon. Bye bye.